Hey, just working in my office, and I wanted to do a really short video for you guys because I did a longer one earlier and I just sort of snuck something in there, and I just wanted to do a short version so that you guys didn't have to watch a 25 minute video of me doing my makeup. So this month is a very different month for at LimeLight in terms of becoming a beauty guide and what you get in your starter kit. So when I got my starter kit, I was thrilled because I'd never seen anything this beautiful. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? This is the box that your starter kit comes in. And we are known as the Tiffany's of makeup because our boxes are exquisite. They really are. Look at this. Look at that. Okay? It's beautiful. And inside this kit, it's your business. This is what you get when you start your business with LimeLight. And we're adding something a little extra this month as an incentive for you to check it out. But look how pretty it is. It's so nice. What's going to come inside this kit is full-size makeup and full-size skincare products. We don't give you samples. You get full-size products. And you can start your business with LimeLight for $169. That's it. Everything you need to run your business is going to come in this kit right here. Everything you need. And then you can add to it later if you want to, but you need nothing besides this. So it is $169, but this month you're going to get this. This is a Beauty Guide TV. It's a Beauty Guide television. Look what it looks like. I've been watching it and now I have it on pause. It's like an iPad and it is an amazing tool for your business. You're gonna get it in your starter kit this month. So it comes preloaded with videos from some of our top leaders in our company explaining how they got started in their business, giving you tips and trainings on things that you can do to get started in your business. It's amazing, and what's so cool about it is that you can add your own videos. So you can actually make this user specific. You can do videos, make your own videos of yourself and put them on here. It's an amazing training tool. And you know, LimeLight really doesn't want us going out and spending a fortune on things to run our businesses. You know, it's like an iPad. You could spend $1,000 on an iPad, but why do that when you can have a Beauty Guide television? Look at that. It's super cute, but it's just very, very useful. And I'm excited about this. This is coming in the kit. So the value of your kit is, with this, is over $425. And you're going to get it for $169. Now, I don't know about you, but you can't start a business anywhere for under $50,000. A true entrepreneurial business with a brick and mortar store and paying employees and your stock and all of those things, you can't do that. But with a direct marketing company, you can start it at a very reasonable fee. And so inside this box comes everything that you need to grow your business and to create a residual income. And this month is just going to be a little different because you get the Beauty Guide TV in your kit, and it's amazing. So this is one of our top leaders in the company. I just have it paused, and you just turn it on, and if I unpause it,
out there, when I signed on the dotted line with LimeLight, I'm like, okay, I'm going to be a beauty guide.
Right? So how cool is that?
A workshop.
So I'm still watching it, but I really wanted to come on and show you guys. If you guys have been thinking about doing something for yourself for the new year, if you have thought about becoming your own boss, becoming an entrepreneur and starting your own business and taking a chance on yourself, this is the time to do it. And I would love to tell you more about it. You guys know how passionate I am about LimeLight. It has done amazing things for me in the year and a half that I have been here. It's an amazing opportunity, and you can get in for such a small investment, and yet the return on your money is like bazillion fold. It is unbelievable. So check that out. If you'd like to know more, just let me know, and I'm happy to answer any questions. And I have a group I can add you to that has even more information, like get into it about the comp plan and all the perks and all the really great things about it. Just let me know and I'll add you to that. And but if you've talked to someone else, if you've already been talking to a beauty guide, please contact your beauty guide that you've been talking to and ask them more information about getting your business started. So anyway, check that out on my site, LimeLightByLori, LORI.com, and let me know if I can help you with anything. Y'all have a great night and stay warm.